Bay Windows Manassas Installation (VA) offers homeowners a unique opportunity to enhance their property's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Custom bay windows in Manassas are designed to fit the specific architectural style of your home, providing a seamless integration that enhances curb appeal. Energy-efficient bay windows in Manassas are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Bay window replacement in Manassas is a service that ensures your windows are up to date with the latest technology and design trends. Bay window repair in Manassas is essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. Residential bay windows in Manassas add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any home, making them a sought-after feature for homeowners. Commercial bay windows in Manassas provide businesses with a stylish and functional solution to enhance their storefronts. Bay window contractors in Manassas are skilled professionals who ensure that your window installation is completed to the highest standards. Bay Windows Manassas design is a creative process that involves selecting the right style, materials, and features to match your home's architecture. Affordable bay windows in Manassas offer a cost-effective solution for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. Bay window styles in Manassas range from traditional to contemporary, providing options for every taste and preference. Bay window materials in Manassas include wood, vinyl, and aluminum, each offering unique benefits and characteristics. Bay window experts in Manassas are knowledgeable professionals who can guide you through the selection and installation process. Bay window solutions in Manassas are tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of each homeowner. Bay window upgrades in Manassas can include features such as energy-efficient glass, custom finishes, and enhanced security options. Bay window maintenance in Manassas is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of your windows. Bay window consultation in Manassas provides homeowners with expert advice and recommendations for their window projects. Bay window estimates in Manassas offer a detailed breakdown of costs, helping homeowners budget for their window installation or replacement. Bay window options in Manassas are diverse, allowing homeowners to choose the perfect style and features for their home. Bay window features in Manassas can include built-in seating, storage, and decorative elements that enhance the overall design. Bay Windows Manassas benefits extend beyond aesthetics, offering improved natural light, ventilation, and energy efficiency. Bay window enhancements in Manassas can transform a simple window into a stunning architectural feature. Bay window specialists in Manassas are dedicated to providing top-quality service and craftsmanship for every project. Bay window customization in Manassas allows homeowners to create a unique and personalized window design that reflects their style and preferences. Bay window trends in Manassas are constantly evolving, with new styles and features emerging to meet the demands of modern homeowners. Bay window services in Manassas, VA, encompass everything from design and installation to repair and maintenance, ensuring that your windows remain in top